Hey there, my name's David. On this episode of Unusual Foods, I'll be doing a taste test of this here, which is the Boule d'Or melon. So I grew this one. It's starting to go a little bit bad because it's been rock hard and it just out of nowhere just started to go bad. So I didn't really know when it was ripe. But yeah, cut it in half. You can see here, pretty cool. Check that out. Very green on the inside. The other ones I've seen online have a like orange gradient in the center. I don't know if this is overripe, if this didn't fully develop, who knows. But yeah, I grew this one myself. I got 2 of these out of my garden. Smells very fresh. Fresh melon taste. I don't know how else to describe that. Let's, ooh, lots of juice already, okay. That tastes good. Okay. So, still, it's just kind of a melony taste. I don't know what, I have to get some of the actual flesh here. Okay, it's kind of weird. It tastes kind of like a really weird mix of a honeydew and a cantaloupe or something with a funny taste. It tastes like a cantaloupe that's been dragged through the forest. It's a weird, funny taste. I don't know if it's overripe, but exactly like that. It tastes like a cantaloupe has been dragged through the forest floor. Let's see if I can get some of this flesh in more of the middle and less from the outside. Try some of this. Yeah, it tastes better. Where all the seeds are. Yeah, this is a weird one because I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. And I don't even know what the proper ripeness of this thing is, if it's overripe or not. To me, it tastes like it's overripe. I probably should have tried it earlier. I had no idea. So I'm gonna say this is probably not a bad tasting melon. The one I have doesn't taste great. It does taste overripe. The stuff in the middle does taste good though, right by the seeds. It tastes like just like a woodsy cantaloupe. It's kind of a weird thing. I have no idea though what a perfect specimen would be. Maybe it's, you know, it's outstanding. I don't know. So that's my my analysis of this specimen of the Boule d'Or melon. So hopefully you learned something about it and at least got a basic idea of how this thing tastes. If you know someone who's growing these, then I would recommend trying it and see what it tastes like in its perfection, because it's probably pretty good because there's a funny taste. And for mine it definitely feels like it's overripe. So if that wasn't overripe, I bet it would taste pretty good and pretty unique. So hopefully you enjoyed this episode. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join the family here. Until the next one, have a good one.